Hello NSA student, this is Mr. Hinton with the Math Department dealing with another frequently asked question from week 25, and I'll also get it quite frequently in week 26. Find the image of the point, -2, -1, after two reflections. And it tells us the order in which to do the reflections. First, they want us to reflect the point P across y equals -5. Then reflect that point, the new point, but they call it P prime here, across the line x equals -1. So we're going to start this problem by drawing our coordinate axis, and we are going to plot the point -2, -1, and this is all going to be maybe not to scale. So that's the point -2, -1. That's the point P that we're working at. And then we are going to reflect that point across the line y equals -5. Now y equals -5 is, let me label this way, -2, -1. Y equals -5 is the horizontal line through -5 on the y-axis. So here's the line y equals -5. So obviously our point is going to go from up here to somewhere down here, but how do we determine where that is? Because we're reflecting it across that line. Here's how you do that. You need to find the distance from the point, the straight line distance from the point to the line. So the distance from here, from this point down to this line, is a distance of 4, right? So it's going from -1 down to -5, and if we kind of looked at that on just a number line, from -5 to -1, the distance would be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, a distance of 4 between those two. So if I'm going to do an equal reflection, I need to go 4 more to the other side. And that's going to take my y value 4 below -5, which is going to reflect the point down to -2. And 4 below -5 is -9. Okay, so that's the first reflection. So this point P is now P prime. We always want to label our reflections or our transformations a different thing. So now the second reflection that they want us to do is to reflect it across x equals 1. X equals 1 is a vertical line through 1 on the x-axis. So I want to reflect this point across x equals 1, so it's going to end up somewhere over here. That's my final destination. So I'm taking the x value is going to change this time. I know my y value is going to stay the same because it's just a horizontal reflection. So my y value is still going to be -9. And really at that point I'm far enough along to pick my answer. But I want to complete this, so I want to reflect the x value, -2, across the line x equals 1. Well, the distance on the x-axis from -2 to 1, let's see, we've got -1, 0, and 1, so that's a distance of 3 there. So I'm reflecting it 3 units here, and I need to go 3 more this way. So 3 on the other side of 1 would take us to 4. Keep my colors consistent here. 4, -9 on the x-axis. So the secret to doing these problems, first of all, is understanding that y equals -5 is a horizontal line, x equals 1 is a vertical line, and then you're just calculating the distance that the point is from that line, and you want to go the same distance to the other side of that line. So it's really quite simple once you understand exactly what they're asking you to do. That's it. Thanks, and have a great day.